fear dead as Boko people tries to take over military base. Soldiers on late Tuesday battled Boko people insurgents as they attempted to take over their base in Damasak. A resident of Damasak town in Moba local government area of Borno State in northeast Nigeria told Daily Post that several lives were lost. Damasak is about 160 km from Maiduguri, the Borno State capital. According to the residents, local vigilantes who attempted to stop the insurgents were overpowered, with many of them scampering for safety. The insurgents have killed many people. The police also fled. We were worried that the soldiers allowed them and only defended their territory, but this morning we learned that the soldiers were also angry with the community for allegedly conspiring with the insurgents who continuously attacked Damasak. The insurgents, when they arrived yesterday at about 5 o'clock p.m., headed straight to take the military base, but made strong resistance. However, the soldiers only chased them away from their territory but could not repel them out of the town. The insurgents slept in the hospital till this morning. We were told that they burnt down all humanitarian facilities and there are many deaths in the town. Buka Alhaji Modu, who fled to Gubbio, told Daily Post. Confirming the attack earlier, chairman of the council, Mustafa Bunu Kolo, told newsmen that the attack on Tuesday was devastating as ISWAP took control of the town. Though I am not in Damasak as I traveled out for official engagement, but based on the information at my disposal, the insurgents invaded the town since 5 p.m. and are still holding ground as of this time. The insurgents have succeeded in raising down remaining humanitarian hubs, markets, shops, and an unspecified number of residential houses as they detonated their improvised explosive devices, IEDs, without confrontation. I was also informed that many people lost their lives in the attack, but I don't have the actual number of casualties as the insurgents are still much around and have continued wreaking havoc on innocent civilians, Kolo explained. Both Colonel Ado Issa, the spokesman of Operation Lafiado, and Brigadier General Muhammad Yerima, the army spokesman, did not react to text messages sent to them on the attack and the allegation that soldiers only defended their base. Thank you for listening to this news. This is not the first time these bandits are attacking military base. Hope you know that. This is not the first time. And for this bandit to be attacking the military base, it means that they are out for war. They came to your house to attack you. They didn't wait for you to come to Sambisa anymore. So it means that they are out. They are telling you that they have come for you in your own house to eliminate you. Now, I want to differentiate these people and the Eastern Security Network. Yes, permit me to do that. Because if you watch very well, the Eastern Security Network, even while they were formed, they didn't bother anybody. They just went straight to the forest and start going after these criminals called bandits. You see that? But in the case of these people, look at what they are doing. They have to leave the Boko people, and now they want going after the Nigerian army in their own barracks. Going after them in their own barracks, but they can't say anything. The people going after them in their own barracks, they refused to go after them. But the people that didn't stop them, that was on their own, even trying to help the Nigerian army to go after these criminals. Were attacked. We attacked. So in this case, what are we going to call this? All these are what we are saying, that this administration is ruled and controlled by the Fulani Janjaweed. They know themselves. Even the army we are talking about, it is still them that are in the army. That's why we call them. So what is the need? Why the cry? Why the sudden tears? To me, we don't need to, there is no need to shed tears, because it is what they call for and it is what they asked for. They are only getting what they asked for, and that is why it's coming to them. And that's why they are attacking themselves. You see that? That is the problem. So they attack the army barrack is because the army asked for it. They asked for it. They asked them to attack them. They asked them to attack them. If they didn't ask them to attack them, they wouldn't have attacked them. You understand? They wouldn't have. So all these are what one has been looking at and be saying, the president is taking a wrong step. He's taking a wrong step. But it was as if we are trying to be biased. Abi? That's it. So, my dear viewers, I invite you on this very issue to at least come in and air your own opinion on this matter. Air your own opinion on this matter. Say what you know. Okay, let's hear you. Let's know how you feel. Alright? So if you're new on this channel, deem it fit to leave your comments below the comment section. Click on the subscription buttons as well as the bell buttons to get updated each time we upload any new videos. Thank you.